Today we're building a high-performance, non-blocking TCP client server application in Python using AsyncIO. Let's get straight into the code. First, let's create our client to connect and send data. Look at the code. Excuse me. Establish connection stream to target address. Write a stream requires byte. Capture response. Graceful trade down. And run. Always use await writer.drain to flush the buffer and prevent memory overload. Now, let's set up the server to handle multiple clients concurrently. I create server file. Look at the code. Okay. Read up 48 bytes from client stream. An empty byte sequence signifies EOF, client disconnected. Send formatted acknowledgement back. Clean up sockets context. And run AsyncIO. A start server spawns a new async task for every connection automatically. To encrypt your connections, wrap the server with an SSL context. Look at the code. First, import library, then load server certificate, chain and private key. Inside our server setup, like this. Excuse me, this code for client. Cut and here. For run, first start server, Python server.py, server run, then client run, and client connected to server. Connected. Okay. Again run in server, connected. Detected disconnected. Empty bytes B means EOF always close the stream. Control memory. Never skip await writer.drain. CPU heavy tasks. Use AsyncIO.toThread for blocking code so the loop stays fast. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you found this helpful.